After entering your login ID and password, when you land on the home page, select exam functions and then select register for exams. Make sure that the photograph and signature that you have selected before are correct, since they will be printed on your hall ticket. Agree to the terms and conditions. Enter English as the medium of study opted. Select Gujarat region as West. Exam state as Gujarat. Exam city as either Vadodara 1 or Vadodara 2 based on the area of your residence. Total exam fees that is to be paid is 1500. If for any reason the payment is failed, you'll have to go back and perform the whole process again. In order to make the payment again, go to pending or submitted forms section. Click on the I icon. Agree to the terms and conditions, and if any student has not uploaded their 12th standard mark sheet, the last date to do so is 1st August. Only then the hall ticket will be issued from ICA. Upon payment, you can download your exam registration form by going to the last section and click on print.